I know it's really confusing because it says October 1st on the calendar, but then, you know, the temperatures feel more like July 1st because we're looking at these really hot conditions. You can see right there, that was a foggy shot of downtown LA. You could barely make out the buildings, so you can barely even make out what you were seeing there. But this is what we're dealing with. We're dealing with dense fog again here in Southern California. Now it's up and down the coast from Ventura County down to Orange County. We're looking at visibility less than a mile for Oxnard, for Camarillo, for LAX, and also for the Long Beach area. And then some of it has moved in, so down to 2 miles for Fullerton, 3 for Santa Ana, 3.5 for Laguna Beach. This is where we're seeing that dense fog advisory until 9 a.m. So that just means visibility in some areas could get as low as a quarter mile or less. So drive slow, use those low beams if you're headed to some of our beach communities. And this is what we're watching for. So not only are we looking at our next weather forecast, but we are dealing with some of the hottest temperatures as we head into the afternoon today and tomorrow as this high pressure system continues to strengthen. We're still going to stay above average for the next few days, even as we begin the cool down on Thursday, but at least it looks better to see those temperatures drop slightly as we head into the end of the week. Right now, temperatures are already in the 70-degree mark for Santa Clarita Valley. We have mid 60s for San Bernardino. We have 60s for downtown LA, and we have upper 50s for Laguna Beach. As we head toward the afternoon, we're going to start to see our heat advisories and excessive heat warnings come into play. So yesterday we had excessive heat watches, watching to see how hot it was going to get. Those watches have now turned into warnings, warning you that it's going to be really hot as we head into the next few days. Even some of our coastal communities like Ventura County and then the northern portion of LA County could see highs in the mid 90s during this time. Inland highs could be up to 108 and then 115 for some of our low desert communities. So we also have a red flag warning for the western San Gabriel Mountains and the Highway 14 corridor. And that just means with the enhanced offshore conditions, it's going to be hot, it's going to be dry. We're going to see single digit humidity. It's favorable. If a fire were to start, it could spread very fast in this area. So this is something that we're watching really closely. And because we're talking about the hot weather, when I talk about rain, you're probably thinking, what are you talking about? We're not looking at rain at all in the forecast, and that's right. But today's the day where the rainy season begins. So let's talk about how much rain we got this past season. We got more than 22 inches of rain. That put us well over where we should be. Normally we should be just over 14 inches. That's for downtown LA. For Riverside, same thing. We saw more than 12 inches of rain. Normally we should be just under 8 inches. So over the last few months here in Southern California, it's been a little drier, but this last rainy season was really nice for us, and we're hoping to continue that trend. But for now, you'll notice no rain in sight. Look at our Inland Empire forecast. We're looking at triple digits for the next 7 days. The hottest temperatures will be today and tomorrow. And then for the valleys, we're also looking at triple digit heat continuing also through the start of next week. All right, guys, back to you.
All right, Amber, thank you.